Hey, I just wanted to do a quick little video of the interior of the all-new Kioti Hx1402. So we just had this in, put the loader on it. That's the display that comes with it. Get all these buttons here. Wipers and lights. Comfort clutch. Work drive mode. It comes standard with 3 remotes. PTO. It's the gears. The transmission's 32 speed transmission. It's a power shuttle shift. So you can just shift with this. Push this button up or down. There. You can see on the dash, I just push that button. Also got a shifter on your loader joystick right here. Electronic shifter. Same thing. Change your speeds on the fly. So yeah, on the shifter here, it's got low, neutral, high. So in each range, 4 speeds in low, 4 speeds in high, forward and reverse. And then you got down here, there's a creeper and high and neutral. So you got another 2 ranges with this. And what else? Auto 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. And loader's a self-leveling loader. So it's got a good reach. Really good sized loader. Goes all the way up. It's like 10 feet in the air or more, I don't know. I think the bucket on it's about 8 feet wide, 96 inches or something. Got a little buddy seat here. All that good stuff. There's your shuttle right on the steering column here, forward and reverse. You got a foot throttle down there. Yeah, your throttle, you got a foot throttle down there, pedal. You also have the throttle here, your thumb throttle. You also got another shift here. This also shifts your gears up and down. Raise and lower your hitch. And this is your draft control, I think. So, also should mention this is an air ride suspension seat there. So, looks really good. There's your park and brake on the left. Yeah, really nice tractor. Kioti really knocked it out of the park with this one. So this is their largest one to date, 140 horsepower, HX. Open center hydraulics, closed center. Compared to the other HX, the 115 and the 90, its frame it's got a wider footprint and it's a bit longer. Also they added like cab suspension. Like I said, the hydraulic system is totally different. The transmission is different as well. It's actually a true power shuttle shift. So if you're in the market for something this size, this is a really, really nice tractor. Inside the cab and out. So just want to do a quick little video for you guys. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.